Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to export videos in 4K with Capcut. So the first that you have to do is you can click on this 1080p resolution over here. Just look at on top of your screen like this. Yes, the 1080p. So you have to click on that button over there and then change the resolution. Alright, this one you can change the 1080p to the 2K or 4K like this. Okay, and then make sure that the frame rate is on 30 and code rate will be recommended, and you can turn on the smart HDR option like that. And after that, you can click on this button to export the video to your device, and you can see in your gallery that the video is exported in 4K. So that's how you maximize the resolution from Capcut. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video guys and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye guys.